I'm Angie Cody with eXp Realty, and today I want to tell you how you can sell your home this winter. The first thing that I recommend is make sure your pathways are clear. In the winter months, we're going to have snow, we could have ice, or we could even have some leftover leaves from the fall. So we want to make sure those pathways are clear. And you also might want to think about putting some type of rubber mat by your front door. That way maybe the wet shoes from potential buyers could be placed there, or even if it was raining and they've got an umbrella, they've got a nice dry place to put their wet items. I would also recommend is letting all of the natural light into your home. What I mean by that is, as we know, winter months can be dreary and gloomy and the sun doesn't shine as much many days. So why don't we open all of our blinds, open our shutters. We also want to make sure that our windows are sparkling clean. That way we have all of that extra light coming into our home. Also, take a look at your thermostat. Is the house nice and warm? We want to make sure potential buyers are comfortable in your home, and that way they'll maybe stay in your house a little bit longer. Also, you might want to have some information sheets about your home laying around. Like maybe have a list of any upgrades you've done, updates, maybe a property condition disclosure. Extra information like this is going to set your home apart from the next house those buyers are going to. So that's always a great thing. Buyers love extra information. And again, my name is Angie Cody with eXp Realty. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if there's ever any topics in the future you'd like me to cover, just drop me a line below. Thanks so much and have a great day.